What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video, and this video is gonna be quick, simple, short. It's just for anyone that wanna know how to cut a bob on itself. I know when I think I was like 13 or 12, and I had my first weave. No, I was actually 15 or 16, and I had my first weave, and I basically wanted a bob, but I didn't want to pay nobody to cut in a bob because I felt like, I'm just cutting it into a bob. So I decided to, look on YouTube, da da da, pulled up, found the easiest way to cut my bob. So I use the technique for like every time I'm trying to cut me a bob, I use a technique, but it's several different bobs. Like they're like bobs like this. They're bobs that just straight across. They're blunt cut bobs. It's a lot of different bobs. So the one that I'm going to be doing today is just going to be a regular bob, which you can have curly bobs, you can have straight bobs, you can have body wave bobs. And didn't you see my other videos? My other video, I had this hair in my head. My last video, I just made what I wish I knew before I started college, and I had this wig, and this wig I made, I got this closure from the beauty supply hair store, and I got this hair from the beauty supply hair store for free on Black Friday 1 year. So I like wearing it like this or whatever, but I just love bobs, and I feel like I look better with bobs. But I also like mid to short hair like this, but if you can tell, it don't look that bad, but it's just like this part right here, you can see it's kind of straight in this part because this is body wave, and my closure is shorter than the rest of my hair. So I most time work in this and put in a ponytail, and it looks like this, which is nothing wrong with that, but I just rather cutting it to a bob. I really don't want to wear my hair like this because the way it look kind of, to me, it look uneven. It look thin, like it look like this part is thin. So I just want to cut a bob, and I know that someone might want to know how to cut their hair in a bob. They don't know how to cut their hair in a bob. So I'm just going to show you a quick little easy step on how to cut your hair in a bob, and you can keep it body wave just like this. You have body wave hair, and you want to cut into a bob, you can keep it just like this, or you can use a straightener, which I got a straightener. You can straighten it however you want to do it, but it's really so easy. You can get extra stuff to cut your bob. You can go to a beauty supply store and get stuff. You can go to a hairdresser and let them do it, but honestly, you can do it in your home. So I'm just going to show y'all how to do it. So I'm literally using things from home, so don't probably ratchet or nothing because I don't have the proper tools, but I'm literally going to be using this right here, a rubber band that I had in my hair already, and I'm going to be using the scrunchie top because you really don't need nothing, and a comb, and then I'm going to be using these scissors right here. Like, you can use the silver scissors, which are made specifically for hair, so you won't have any dead ends or anything like that, but honestly, this do the trick. And then I'm not sure if I want to flat iron it right now. I want to see how it look just without flat iron, and if it don't look how I want it, then I'll show y'all guys me flat iron and whatever, which most people know how to flat iron, but I'll show y'all that too if y'all want me to. So what you do is part your hair in the back. Y'all see me? Okay. Post y'all be part in the back. Oh, and another thing, I'm natural, so right now my hair is not braided up on here. It's just this short, so it's like up, but of course you want your hair to be braided down. You want a wig cap on, so your hair look flatter and look more natural. But I'm just winging it right now. Just want to show you guys how to cut it into a bob. So just comb it out like this, and then go put this rubber band wherever you want your bob to stop at. And I really want my bob to stop where my hair look kind of thin. I want it to stop right there. So you get that part, you put the rubber band where you want it to stop at. You can, to be on the safe side, you can put the rubber band close to the end just in case it's too short. But for right now, I know I want my bob to be pretty much at my neck. I don't want it to be like, I want to cut this exit off, but I'm going to cut it right. I'm going to leave it right here to be safe. Because you never know how much you might have to cut up if it's uneven. But I ain't going to worry about it being uneven, because all you got to do is just pay attention and make sure these two, which I'm putting one on this side too, make sure it's even. And just cut it in. I promise you it's that easy. So you take this side, do the same thing, just wrap it around a couple times, because what you're going to do is you're going to cut above it. That's why I said if you feel like it might not be even, you can pull it down some more, so you can cut as much as you want if it's not even. So, and it's literally like, this is the way like hairdressers usually do it before they get all them proper tools. You don't have to. Okay, the best thing to use, honestly, is a do I have one of those? Is to use this. This is the best thing to use, because especially with blunt cuts. But I'm not doing a blunt cut. I'm just doing a regular ball. But to do a blunt cut, you'll need something like this, because it'll be best, because you can make sure everything is straight. But for this ball, I'm doing just a regular ball. You don't have to have that. You can use just some scissors. So you do like this, and y'all see how make sure it's even. See this part right here? Even. Make sure it's literally even, which this a wig, so I gotta really make sure it's even, because sometimes it be in your head kind of crooked. Okay, so yeah. So right here. So this is the front part. Chop it off. Chop it off. Okay, so what you do is you just get this. Okay, this hair tougher than I thought. Ooh. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? Bob, and then see, it's not going to be perfect. That's why you got to, you know, keep cutting it to make it look neat. And of course, it's a wig. I can just take this bad boy, I'll put this on a wig cap, and of course cut it. But I'm showing y'all how to do it, because I want y'all to know how to do it. I know how to do it, but I want you guys to know how to do it. So that's why I'm doing it on my head, which I still can get a wig cap and do it. So you get this part, and you just, which this hair is kind of tough, which is thick. If you don't know what weave, the longer your hair is, no, the longer your hair is, the thinner it is. That's why you have to have more than one bundle. Like if you have long straight hair, like 22 inches come down to here, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get you like 4 or 5 bundles of hair for it to look thick. But the shorter the hair, you really don't have to have that many bundles. This is on 3 bundles. Here are my hair pieces. I'm not gonna miss these bad boys, you know what I'm saying? Look at all this. So this is the finishing touch, like here. And it's not even the finishing touch, because I still have to go in and cut it. But just to give y'all a look. Now in the back, I know it's uneven in the back, because I gotta cut it. But what I'm gonna do is, if y'all want me to, I'll get me a little wig, my little wig cap, my wig stand, and I can finish cutting it up for you. Because that's how I'm going to be able to see it. So, so I'm going to go get my wig cap. No, my wig. I keep saying wig cap. I'm going to go get my wig stand, and I'm going to put this on here so I can cut the back of it. And then after I do that, that's when I'm going to come back, put on my head, and show y'all like how I look. This is my, I look amazing on behind the camera, but this is how I look on the wig cap, which is, by the way, so you see this part right here? You know, that's a little longer than here, like right here, which is really, by the way, if it ain't straight, so it ain't got to be perfect. But if you can see, everything is right there and stuff right here. So I'm just going to cut this part a little bit right here, and then show y'all guys how I'm back. So what I'm doing is really just taking this down, curling the back, because it's kind of, you know, you can, when you just cut it like that, it ain't gonna be just perfect, you know what I'm saying? So you still gotta go in and clip, curl, you know what I'm saying? But it's nothing too major though. But it's really easy. And I want to keep it body wave. I don't want to straighten it right now. So that's why I still got it like this. But you literally just do a little curl. Because with bobs, you do have to keep them curled unless they blunt cut straight. Just cut. Then you don't have to keep them curled. But with bobs, you have to keep them curled sometimes. At least a little bump. You can't just wear a bob expect for it to look right. But this body wave, so I ain't got to really do nothing but curl the ends. But this the finishing touches. I know it might not be completely straight, so I gotta go in and just cut it, but so far, you know, it ain't that bad. It's cute. It's a bob. So, thank you guys for watching my video. That's all I really wanted to show y'all is how to cut a bob, which is not hard. And I'm a bob girl. I like long hair, but when it comes to straight up body waves, I don't like long hair. I only like short hair. That's just me. I'm a curly hair girl, but I used to love long hair, and I still do, but I like short hair. I look kind of older with short hair. By the way, I'm 21. So, yeah, this is the finishing look. Y'all can see. And this is nice to just throw on, you know what I'm saying? Which y'all know this a wig. Yeah. It's bouncy, shaky. And I got this from the beauty supply store. You do not have to spend all that money out your pockets for some good hair, because you can get some good hair from the beauty supply store. You just gotta know how to deal with it. So, now you can just curl a little bit of it. And you got yourself a bob, girl. Look at that girl. Got a bob. Hey. So thank you guys. Also, don't forget to look at my recent videos I made. What I wish I would have knew before I started college, and my first video I made doing box braids. And I would do more different kind of videos. They won't always be about hair. I just love hair, so that's kind of what I go to. But I'll do more videos for y'all. Just let me know what y'all want to hear, what y'all want to see. I'm literally down to do anything. Pranks, Q&A, everything. Like, it's coming. It's coming. It's just the beginning, but it's coming. And I'm doing this for y'all. At the end of the day, like I say, I'm doing this for y'all. Like, I want y'all to learn things. I want y'all to entertain y'all. I want y'all to enjoy yourselves and laugh. You know, we need love. We need laugh. There's enough crazy stuff going on. We need positivity. So I just want to spread positivity to everyone. So thank you again for watching my channel. Make sure y'all subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're new, welcome. Got more in store for all of you guys. And have a good day.